there is something common between you and me, my friend, and that is, at times we plan so many things in a day that we end up doing nothing. When we reflect back at the end of the day, we found that most of the activities which we planned are either unfinished or we have not even started them. Ladies and gentlemen, planning is the most important and critical part of doing anything on time. But if your planning is poor, then you cannot do anything at the right point of time and within the stipulated frame of time. If you really want to plan well, you really need to consider the method that I'm going to tell you today. This is called urgent and important matrix. So when you start the day in the morning, you plan out all of the activities which you have, list down all of the activities which you're supposed to do in the entire day, or maybe in the entire week or a month or a quarter or an year. And once you have all the activities listed down in a listed format, then try to figure out how many activities out of those lists are urgent and how many activities out of those lists are important. Try to give a specific number to all the activities and then find out the multiplier. Try to figure out which activity has the highest weightage out of those list of activities, and you will understand which one is the topmost activity that you have to keep on priority, which one is the urgent and which one is the important, and which one is the urgent as well as important. The activities which are urgent as well as the important, if you do them on the top of all the activities, you will feel like a winner, because in your mind somewhere down the line that activity is very important, very urgent. You were keeping that activity in your mind and you were thinking that you are going to complete it tomorrow, next week or next month, but you were just procrastinating. But because you have done that activity, you have received a sense of accomplishment within your brain. Your mind is satisfied. You are feeling satisfied because you have done something which you were waiting to do for a long period of time, but you were just procrastinating. Similarly, if you have other activities which are less important and less urgent, then you plan out to do those things as and when the day progresses, because you have designated a schedule and a time in a day. So if you know how to prioritize the activities that you have on a given day, then you will be able to identify which are the activities which are urgent as well as the important, and then you will be able to do the most critical and difficult task as the first task of the day. As an author says, that if you can eat a live frog right the time when you wake up in the morning, you will feel relaxed. So that live frog on your plate is the most difficult task. So ladies and gentlemen, when you wake up next day in the morning, please make sure to prepare a list of activities and define which are the activities which are important and which are the activities which are urgent and which are the activities which are urgent as well as important, and then try to accomplish those activities one by one. Don't go like a haywire, because as Robin Sharma says, that the things which are scheduled are the things which gets done. Things which does not get scheduled are the things which are not done. So I hope you love this message. In case if you have anything to add on to it, please leave in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. This is your friend Tawseef Hasan signing off until we meet again.